Hey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create something very special. A beautiful colorful line scenery using simple lines and bright colors. But before we begin, let me share a tiny story for you while we draw. One day a little line was drawn on a blank piece of paper. The lion looked around and said, "Oh no, I'm just a simple lion. I'm not a mountain, not a tree, and not even a river." So the lion felt a little sad. Then suddenly another lion appeared and said, "Don't worry, together we can become something amazing, okay?" Soon more lions joined, are curved like a hill, one wiggled like a river, and one stood tall like a tree. Then the colors came around running in like excited kids at a playground. Blue filled the sky, green hugged the trees, and yellow jumped into the sun. The first little lion looked at the picture and laughed. "Wow, I thought I was nothing, but together we made a whole beautiful world." So, let's start drawing, guys.
Rana, Rana, Ranu, Rena, नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं और नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं और लागे नहीं कहीं और लागे नहीं कहीं और
And tada! There it is. Our beautiful, colorful scenery is almost complete. Look at how a few simple lines turn into mountains, trees, rivers, and a happy sky. Remember the first little line from the story? When it saw this drawing, it giggled and said, "Hey, I started as just one line, and now I'm part of a masterpiece." That's the magic of drawing. Even the smallest line can create something wonderful when you use your imagination. If you enjoyed drawing this colorful line scenery with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love drawings. And tell me in the comments what should we draw next using simple lines. Maybe a city, a sunset, or a magical forest. Okay? Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and remember, even a single line can start a beautiful story. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye.